Kongreso at Office of the Presidential Affairs on the Peace Process, patuloy na isinusulong ang usapin sa suporta sa pagsasabatas ng panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law. Issue naman sa Lake Lanao, tinututukan din ang Kamara sa draft ng BBL. Narito ang aking report. 1987 Constitution, sa pamumuno ni Pangulong Corazon Aquino nang mabigyang pagkakataong makilala ang Muslim minority sa bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaloob ng otonomiya na kinilalang ARMM. Sa paglipas ng panahon, tingin ng pamahalaan hindi na ang pamamalakad sa ARMM kaya't patuloy pa rin ang pagsiklab ng kaguluhan doon. 2010, nang maupo sa pwesto si Pangulong Benigno Aquino III, simula nang siya'y maglingkod, naging malaking hamon na sa kanya ang sinusulong na self-determination ng mga Moro sa Mindanao. Sa pagtatapos ng kanyang termino ngayong 2016, kasama ang iba't ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan lalo na ng Office of the Presidential Advisor in Peace Process o OPAP, sinisikap nitong maisabatas ang Bangsamoro Basic Law.
Yes, because it will put governance, it will put a stronger, more accountable governance in place. Stop the armed conflict between the MILF and the government. Of course, people have said it will not resolve all problems of violence. But we are talking about a long-drawn armed conflict between the government and what is the largest, most organized armed rebellion against government. When this is resolved, and then you saw normalization on multiple tracks. Certainly for some of the other sources of lawlessness, area that will not be directly handled by this process, but you will put into place a stronger government, a police force that is there, still a part of the national police and following that line of command, pero nandun at nakatutok.
At sa pagkakalusot ng pagdinig nito kamakailan lamang sa komite sa Kamara sa pamumuno ni Ad Hoc Committee Chair Cagayan de Oro Representative Rufus Rodriguez, hindi umano naging madali ito sa kanila ng mga mambabatas, lalo't sinasabing minadali raw umano nila.
We had 51 hearings. During the voting, it took us 3 days. And every page, all of them had with them a copy of the chairman and vice chairperson's working draft. We went page 1 up to page 109. And so therefore we... 109? Yes. We have this. And we were able to give everyone a chance to speak. I never disallowed anybody who wants to propose amendments to talk until he finishes, and then the other rebuttal. Voting. There was never real voting. That's only in the minds of those who are really against the BBL, whatever it is, because there is strong bias against our Muslim brothers. That's what it's all about. The approval of the Bangsamoro, the approval of the basic law for the Bangsamoro Bangsamoro Autonomous Region will certainly provide the atmosphere and environment of peace, which has eluded the Bangsamoro area for the past 43 years. There has been a war going on. It has not been solved through military or by way of guns and war. And it has continued because war can never end the struggle of our Muslim brothers to be able to be given the chance to work for their political, economic, and social development in an atmosphere of real autonomy.
Tulad ng inaasahan, may mga naiba din sa draft ng BBL na ikinadismaya ng mga taga-Bangsamoro, tulad na lamang ng issue sa Lake Lanao na pinangangambahang kokontrolin ito ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas at tuluyang mawawala na ang pamamahala ng mga taga-Lanao dito.
The committee believes that they will improve on the original provisions. That is why we have the substitute bill. We believe the substitute bill will be able to pass constitutional scrutiny by the Supreme Court because it will not be the provisions have been either deleted or amended, and the characteristics that will be the person of a substantive individual. And so we believe that the substitute bill will be effective version to be able to have the law passed and be implemented in the Bangsamoro. But we are what it says about the national grid, national grid, because the grid of the Philippines is not connected to the I was moving for energy to be back to the Luzon power. Being exclusive ang national government when it is an energy used outside of the Bangsamoro. But I was voted, so therefore we are proxy to the maturity,
Dagdag pa ng mambabatas, sapat na ang ilang dekadang sakripisyo ng mga Moro. Marapat lamang umano na ipagkaloob sa kanila ang hinihingi nitong otonomiya.
That is why, because what we have given them before does not really the full autonomy as what they deserve when you have an autonomous region. That is why, seeing that experience, we now have this substitute bill that will provide a meaningful, real, and full autonomy.
Sa kabila ng mainit na usapin ng BBL, lubos pa rin ang pagkasiya ng mga Moro sa bansa dahil sa nakikita nitong pag-asa. Isang pag-asang sana'y makamit na nito ang inaasam-asam na totoong otonomiya. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Princess Habiba Salit.